Halo semuanya, balik lagi di channel Game Tunnel bersama gue Petra. Setelah kemarin kita mengantarkan beberapa mainan remote control, walaupun ada terjadi kesalahan sedikit ya teman-teman. Mobil yang terakhir yang akan kita kirim terbalik, tapi tenang aja, sudah gue selesaiin misinya. Dan tanpa berlama-lama lagi, setelah itu kita langsung lanjut. Bukan tanpa berlama-lama lagi ya, langsung aja deh kita lanjut ke misi berikutnya. Oke, gas. Jadi ternyata mobil remote controlnya itu tuh terbalik, dan mengembalikannya ke posisi semula itu gampang teman-teman. Tinggal tekan tombol L3 doang. Nah, ternyata masuknya dari sini ya, dari depan. Oke.
Finally. Now, Mrs. Rover informed me that you're short a few hours this week, Winston. You'll need to recoup those or you'll be put on probation. Luckily, a new customer, a Mr. Martinez, just called and asked to hire a driver. It's a little bit outside of ordinary hours, but you don't mind, do you, Winston?
Jadi kita
Good. You just wait for him here. He'll come along in a few hours or so.
Kita dikasih beban kerja tambahan ini untuk menutupi kekurangan jam kerja kita. Kita disuruh nunggu orang nih. Oke, siapakah yang kita tunggu ini?
Excuse me, I'm looking for a junior trainee stock boy. Is that you?
South Television
I guess.
Good. Take the wheel.
perusahaan
You might as well
televisi
get
nih.
comfortable driving.
Oke, kita diminta untuk mengemudi ya, langsung aja kita gas.
Head for Copperhead. My senses indicate that is where it will all begin.
Apa tuh?
Blind?
Gue emang nggak suka sama itu satpam.
So, I noticed your reaction when I
jangan
mentioned my
ini.
sensors. I built this sensor array with my own bare hands.
Sensor.
With the data it collects, no one will be able to question the truth anymore.
Oke.
What
Apakah
truth, you
yang
ask?
ingin sedang kita ungkap ini teman-teman? Apakah ada sebuah rahasia? Apa nih?
Only the
Oke,
obvious
kita lanjut.
fact that Earth is being visited by strange and alien intelligences.
Alien teman-teman.
Yeah, that's right.
Alien.
UFOs, aliens. If that blows your little provincial mind, I don't have time to lay out all the evidence for you.
Oke, penasaran. Ayo Pak. Ikut.
I'm a scientist, I guess you could call it. A pioneer. Except I don't have one of those fancy college degrees or a $1 billion black budget to spend.
Hah, ya kali Pak. Bapak peneliti tapi nggak ada
Are you
gelarnya.
curious?
Ya bukan peneliti
Or are
itu
you
mah.
so narrow-minded that you think we know everything that happens in the sky?
Ya bukan berpikiran
I don't know.
sempit Pak. Narrow minded ya teman-teman. Berpikiran sempit Pak. Atau gimana sih? Di negeri Konoha aja ada tuh masalah ijazah palsu. Ya anyway begitulah. Ya namanya saintis kan harus ada background studinya juga dong Pak. Keilmuannya apa?
There should be an
Tapi ya
abandoned
terserah
barn
Bapak
to
deh.
the south of here,
Yang
off the
penting
highway.
saya mau ngelihat
We'll keep
aliennya Pak.
watch from there.
Oke, kita ikutin sesuai dengan arah panah kuning ya teman-teman. Kita mau hampir sampai. Terus apakah ke sini? Oh ya, sini ya. Oke. Jalan pedesaan. Kiri. Dan sini. Lewatan ya teman-teman.
Oh, almost forgot. I need to calibrate the camera's light meter. And I see the perfect subject for a sampling shot. Just place us in a good position and I'll be done in no time.
Oke. Dia mau mengkalibrasi kameranya terlebih dahulu.
This is a scratch.
Sini aja.
job. The details are spot on.
Oke.
There it is. Good. Hide the van inside.
Kita sembunyiin mobilnya di sini, teman-teman.
All right. Now I need you to position these for me. These are
Sorry ya
sensors that will
teman-teman,
register
mungkin
how
suara
the
gua
UFO
agak nggak
reverses
enak.
the
Karena
polarity
sebenarnya
of the
gua juga
photonic
lagi nggak enak
field.
badan, teman-teman.
I'll keep an
Tapi
eye on
buat
the
kalian,
sensors from here
kita
and
harus
let you know
tamatin
when you're in
game
the
ini
right
sesegera
spot to
mungkin,
install
teman-teman.
one.
Oke, kita disuruh menginstal atau merakit antena pemancar sinyal untuk menangkap komunikasi ke alien, ke UFO. Kata si bapaknya, temuan dia ini benar-benar berfungsi, teman-teman. Ya, kita lihat aja.
That one's good. Just one more.
Satu lagi. Satu lagi ada. Aduh. Tenang, Winston seperti biasanya. Punya kekuatan luar biasa, teman-teman, mengalahkan Superman. Jadi untuk urusan panjat memanjat mah gampang. Gimana nih? Udah. Oh, naik gitu. Oke. Kita rakit. Ya,
I've got the signal.
rakitannya
You can come
ini
back here.
antena mirip antena TV ya, teman-teman.
I'm picking up a massive energy source. There it is. Get behind the wheel.
Ya. Mana nih? Mana nih? Oke, kita segera masuk ke mobil. Emang ada apaan? Ke sebelah sini.
There they are. I see their ship.
UFO, teman-teman.
But what? They're stealing a cow? Never
UFO-nya
mind.
nyedot
Now's our
sapi.
chance. I need to get my photos before they finish up their misguided
Oke.
abduction.
Kita ambil foto ya, teman-teman. Foto UFO-nya nyedot sapi.
I got you.
Aduh, masih agak
Another
blur.
miss.
Hampir aja, teman-teman. Oke, kita harus jaga jarak ya dengan pesawat UFO-nya.
Fine shot.
Oke.
I got you.
Oke, berhasil, kita berhasil menghindari ini ya. Jadi kalau kita masuk ke dalam lingkaran atau zona merah tadi itu tuh kita bisa terpental, teman-teman.
Nailed it.
Hampir saja. Hop. Hop.
Ah, another miss.
Kurang. Gimana ya? Satu lagi. Terakhir kita juga butuh satu foto terakhir. Aduh. Ya, oke. Aman, teman-teman. Lasernya luar biasa, bisa menghancurkan mobil kita, teman-teman. Oke, masalah. Lagi. Wah,
Not good enough. There, I got a
apakah berhasil?
perfect photo.
Oke, berhasil, teman-teman. Syukurlah.
We can't let it get away. Go after it.
Oke. Nah, sekarang kita kejar
I don't
UFO-nya, teman-teman.
understand. I've been searching for them ever since they kidnapped me 8 years ago. And now I find them abducting some simple farm animal?
Jadi ini laki-laki mengaku pernah diculik oleh UFO 8 tahun yang lalu, teman-teman. Sebelumnya dia mengaku seorang peneliti nih, Tuan Martinez ini, dan dia pun juga mengaku pernah diculik oleh alien 8 tahun yang
How
lalu.
could they? I thought they were serious scientists. And now I find out they're just probing. Quick, we have to go after it. I need more pictures. I thought they were serious scientists. And now I find out
Sejak
they're just
kapan alien
probing
itu
any
adalah
old life
scientist,
form.
teman-teman? Adalah peneliti. Ayo dong, Pak. Oh, Bapak ini terlalu jauh nih. Terlalu jauh. Bapak Martinez ini terlalu jauh, teman-teman.
Where is it? Find it!
Mana, di
I
mana?
keep thinking of all the time I've wasted. I've been such a fool, thinking we had something special. For months after the first time they probed me, I was preparing for if it had laid eggs in me.
Coba
Well, I
lewat
certainly won't
jalan
raise a hybrid
yang-
child on my own.
Waduh. Tuh. Wah, hati-hati, berarti kita jangan sampai masuk ke dalam kolam. Kita udah melihat percikan api. Semoga mobil kita masih bisa bertahan. Oke, op. Jadi mulai ada apinya, teman-teman. Mana ini? Ya, oke, turun sini. Lewat sini. Lagi. Oke, turun sini. Yes.
Ah, another miss! Not good enough. I got you. So close. Keep going. This one is too blurry. We need to take another.
Oke, lagi berusaha.
So close. Keep going. Not good enough.
Nice.
Yes, that's a good one.
Wah, ada 6 foto ya, teman-teman. Kita ambil 6 foto.
Yes,
Tuh,
that's a
jangan
good one.
sampai terkena lasernya. Begitu terkena lasernya, selesai nih mobil kita, teman-teman.
Yes, that's a good
Oke.
one.
Jago juga kita. Hai, jangan sampai kena.
Fine shot.
Nice. Nice, kita berhasil menghindari impact. Nice, jangan sampai kena.
Yes, now I have proof of what
Oke.
you've done.
Oke, gimana Pak Martinez?
We can't let it get away. Go
Puas,
after it.
Pak peneliti? Masih belum. Ternyata masih belum puas, teman-teman. Oke, kita kejar lagi. Kita kejar. Kita ikutin panah kuning. Mobil kita nggak tahu apakah masih bisa bertahan atau enggak. Percikan api juga sudah mulai terlihat. Aduh. Demi UFO ya, teman-teman ya. Demi UFO. Ayo deh. Yang penting Pak Martinez senang. Oke.
There, do you see that light? It must have landed.
Oke.
This is a scratch.
Do you think it has landed to communicate with me? Maybe it realized
Oke,
what it
kita
has
harus
been
ke
doing
tempat
after
yang
all.
Tadi ya.
Maybe the aliens only
Mana,
thought they
mana?
needed to experiment.
Oke, masih
With
di
others.
sini kita masih
But
sesuai
now they
jalur.
realize that only I have the biosignature that
Okay.
they need. Do you think I should forgive it? Or maybe I should wait?
Oke.
I see one of them. They
Still?
look like... Wait, who's that?
Hah! Konspirasi teman-teman. Masa iya alien ada urusan dengan manusia begini? Gimana? Gimana nih Pak Martinez? Ayo. Mr. Stevenson.
Ah, hello there, citizens. Were you perhaps drawn here by something strange in the night sky? Rest assured, it was probably a low-flying
Stevenson
Canadian
ini
goose.
tampilannya
Very common
kayak
occurrence, although few
Men in
talk
Black
about.
ya teman-teman.
I
Kalau
should
ada
know.
yang tahu
I'm a
film Men in
bird
Black.
hunter.
You can't be serious. We saw the UFO flying overhead.
UFO? Hardly. That was probably the light reflecting off a bird wing. I shot it. You can see I have the body right here.
You can't expect us to believe that it was just a bird. And this isn't even a real bird. It's stiff.
Rigor mortis.
Gak mungkin dong
No, it's
burung
been
ya
stuffed.
teman-teman.
This is a
Gak mungkin
taxidermy
lah.
bird.
Nonsense.
Kita lo udah
But I've got
ngambil
proof.
fotonya.
Pictures. See here. Soon the whole world will...
Aduh.
I would have had my proof if you'd only kept the van still.
Ya ampun, sia-sia pekerjaan kita teman-teman. Fotonya malah nggak ada. Nggak keambil gitu loh. Ini gimana sih ini? Pak Martinez ini, aduh. Ya udah deh. Yang penting kita udah ngerjakan pekerjaan kita. Terserah deh Pak Martinez mau apain deh, terserah. Dan kita juga udah dapat bayarannya ya teman-teman. $500. Oke. Sekarang kita seharusnya kita ambil mobil ya. Kita cari telepon booth terdekat. Atau mungkin ada mobil yang terparkir. Langsung aja kita malin ya. Sebentar, gua penasaran sama di atas ini.
Oh, I'm rich.
Ada yang lagi mancing, emang bisa mancing ya?
Steady as she goes.
Easy money.
Iya, segini mancing bisa. Tuh. Kenapa nih? Oh iya ya. Kan kita tadi naik mobilnya Bapak Martinez. Berarti kita di sini mencari mobil yang terparkir, teman-teman. Ya, kita cari dulu ya.
I'm rich.
Kita sambil cari-cari duit. Lumayan $20, teman-teman. Ini ada lagi.
Bingo.
Sangat. Nggak berani ah. Jatuh. Ini ada side mission nih. Coba ya. Tuh Rio aja masih belum kita temukan, teman-teman. Kenapa?
Get out! Oh!
Aduh.
Barely made it out of that one.
Wah. Kenapa tuh teman-teman? Apakah pencurian?
Jackpot.
Oke, gua ketemu mobil. Kita ambil aja kali ya. Mas, kita hajar semuanya. Hajar semuanya. Ya,
Dozing off in swimming class wasn't my brightest moment.
balik lagi nih. ke tanda tanya yang tadi nih teman-teman. Coba aja yuk. Coba yuk.
Can't shake me. Get out.
Wah. Aduh.
I'm rocking here.
Learn to drive.
Jackpot.
Hah. Apa ya tadi? Polisi lagi nangkap ya? Benar nggak sih? Oh, ini mobil ambulans teman-teman. Ya udahlah. Oke, kita disuruh ke kantor. Oke, kita laksanakan. Aduh. Oke, ada
My
nih, masih
doggy
ada
paddle
mobil.
technique won't help me here.
Oke, kita ke kantor ya teman-teman ya.
Oh,
Waduh. Shellington Falls. Nah, jadi ini ya kotanya ya, buat teman-teman yang baru bergabung, ini kota terbarunya kita, Shellington Falls. Nah, jadi kantor We Deliver udah pindah ke sini ya teman-teman. Setelah meletusnya Gunung Callahan yang ada di kota Saint Monique. Tapi tenang aja, kita masih bisa kok balik ke kota itu. Oke, ke sini. Lewat sini. Seperti jalan. Ke sini. Oke.
Meaning that those of you who won't stop this farce and get back to work and clean out your lockers. There will be no more negotiations. Disperse and either return to work or
Ini
find
Ibu Berta
another
ini selaku
job.
HR sangat-sangat
There we
friendly ya,
have
teman-teman.
him, Harold's favorite. I
keterlaluan.
must say, I'm unimpressed.
Oh, great.
I'm sure you have nothing to worry about, seeing how highly Mr. Girther, well, the senior one at least, speaks of you. Oh, and do get a shave and a haircut, will you? You look like a bum.
Kita disuruh untuk cukuran ya teman-teman. Oke. Dan waktunya kita kembali ke karavan kita ya teman-teman, untuk beristirahat karena apartemen kita sudah hancur tertimpa oleh semburan bebatuan dari letusan Gunung Callahan. Ya udah dah, gila aja kita, namanya juga udah capek ya. Salah jalan kita teman-teman. Ini sebenarnya gimana sih?
Dozing off in swimming class wasn't my brightest moment.
Peta kita ada di, ya jelas aja dong, mau dulu kan di sini. Kita ikutin panah kuning aja, tapi ini gelap banget teman-teman. Kotanya emang rapi, lebih rapi daripada Saint Monique, tapi ini gelap ya teman-teman. Apa sih di sini? Oke. Sebelah sini. Awas. Terus.
Oh, my bad.
Tuh, ini tuh nggak kelihatan teman-teman. Nih. Udah. Ikutin terus panah kuningnya tadi. Oke. Lanjut lagi. Oh, salah jalan ya. Sebelah sini. Belfort.
Yikes.
Di sebelah sini. Ikutin terus panah kuningnya. Kenapa nih?
Whoa, what the?
Wah, ada orang yang masuk ke trailer kita, teman-teman. Siapa lagi sih? Kita harus mempertahankan trailer kita dari para penyusup, teman-teman.
It's not here.
Where is it?
You'll never find it.
Jadi sebenarnya Winston
Touch
ini
that,
siapa ya,
and I'll put
teman-teman?
one between your eyes. Back up. Further.
The AEC must be getting desperate.
You think you're in control, Booker? You don't know what you're dealing with.
Yeah? Neither do you.
Dan ada yang memfoto. Siapa lagi kalau bukan Bapak Satpam? Gua pengen bilang tapi gimana ya, takut dolar kuning. Ya udah deh, kita tidur aja. Tidur.
With a past that seemed to cling to him like a second skin, several questions occupied Winston's weary mind. Why had the mysterious agent chosen this moment to step out of the shadows? Why did Donovan, that cunning fox, remain silent? But what really twisted the knife were the increasingly intrusive visions. Was he finally losing his mind?
Aduh.
Greetings, fellow Americans. Remember when we had simple combustible rockets? When oil and gas-powered machines were the crowning achievement of modern man? How quaint, but no more. Don't forget, if it wasn't for the brilliant minds of the AEC, we would still be sputtering along in our
AEC
rudimentary
ini yang
automobiles
ada
while breathing
di
in
kota
those
pertama
toxic
ya,
fumes.
teman-teman. Jadi
While you mind your own busy
dulunya
lives,
Winston
the
ini
Atomic
mungkin
Energy
pernah
Commission is diligently working on the
tergabung
next
dengan
revolutionary
AEC
ideas
ini,
to
dan
enhance
entah
your daily
mengapa
comforts.
sesuatu
Soon we'll be at
terjadi
the
dan
advent of a new
akhirnya
paradigm shift,
Winston ini
anti-gravity.
mengasingkan diri
That
ke
is
kota
not the epitome of the
Saint-Monique,
future. I don't know
lalu
what
bekerja
is.
sebagai We Deliver.
Or wouldn't you agree, Winston?
Green is losing its luster as fall takes over once again. We expect the cold weather to stay for the next couple of days, with a few inches of snow a real possibility. On another note, our community's new
Ya,
courier
dan kita
service
masih
We
menghadapi
Deliver is
cuaca
now up and running
musim
at
dingin
full
ya, teman-teman,
speed.
bersalju.
Having luxuries delivered to your
Jadi
doorstep has
pasti
never been
ketika
easier. If you need to send your mother-in-law a last-minute
matahari
greeting card
terbenam,
or upgrade your bathroom with that
tentunya
ultra-modern
gambarnya pasti
minimalist
akan
Nordic bidet, We Deliver got you covered. Well, time for some more music.
Oke. Waktunya kita bekerja lagi nih, teman-teman. Berantakan banget ya. Dan kita masuk ke chapter ke-7. Greedy Hearts.
So sorry, Mr. Green.
Second goddamn time this month. Swear I'll. See. Wait, huh? What's this? Oh, this can't be good.
Nah, apa yang terjadi, teman-teman? Jadi ini game ceritanya bagus banget menurut gue, teman-teman, dan gak ketebak ya selama lu nggak nonton channel-channel yang lain yang udah mungkin bermain duluan. Karena gue juga apa yang teman-teman lihat kali ini di episode ini, gue bener-bener belum pernah mainin sebelumnya, dan gue nggak ngelihat permainan dari channel-channel YouTube yang lain. Jadi gua berusaha semaksimal mungkin agar permainan yang gua suguhin ke teman-teman adalah permainan yang genuine ya teman-teman ya. Genuine itu yang asli. Pokoknya first time banget. Ini kita nggak ngelihat hintnya, nggak sama sekali nggak ada petunjuk. Petunjuk satu-satunya hanya yang ada di dalam game ini teman-teman. Oke. Karena ini termasuk game baru juga, Mei 2025 kalau nggak salah ya rilisnya. Jadi ini benar-benar oke banget, fresh banget menurut gue. Mungkin sedikit kayak GTA, tapi yang menarik dari sini memang ide ceritanya teman-teman. Yang bikin amazed lagi adalah ini ada campur tangan Konami, dimana teman-teman tahu ya, Konami ini lebih berfokus pada game sepak bola teman-teman. Mostly ya game sepak bola. Seperti sini kita ke kantor Wideliver. Jauh ya dari trailer kita.
This is a scratch.
Seperti biasa kita mengawali hari itu dengan kewarasan teman-teman. Jangan langsung ugal-ugalan, sabar. Oke, kita sampai di kota tempat alamatnya kantor Wideliver.
Picture this, folks. You wake up in the morning feeling like a sack of potatoes, but with just one dose of Super Sunshine vitamins, you'll be soaring through your day like a
agak licin ya teman-teman. Berhubung ini juga
what makes Super Sunshine vitamins so super.
Musim dingin ya.
Well, folks, it's simple. These vitamins are derived
tipis. Oke, kita udah sampai. Kepada siapakah kita akan berbicara?
Anyways, so I bailed ship soon as they entered the office. Think I'm gonna hide down here all day.
I wouldn't mind the company. Good morning, Winnie.
Hey, Sarah. Hank. Morning, Bud. Still rocking the biker look, I see.
Don't listen to him, Winnie.
What? I didn't say I disapprove.
Uh-huh.
I don't call it that. I didn't mean... Ugh.
Harold's in his office, but I worry about him, Winston. Could you please try to talk to him?
Ya, kita
He
diminta
listens
untuk
to
ngobrol
you, you know.
dengan Harold
Me
ya.
too. I'll give it a shot.
You're the best.
Oke, kita langsung naik aja dan masuk ke ruangannya Harold. Ini dia.
Huh? Harold, are you in there?
I'm sorry, Winston. Bertha will fill you in.
Great. Everything okay?
Thank you, son. Just a bit of a migraine all day.
Oke.
Okay then.
Harold bilang dia sedikit sakit kepala
better?
teman-teman, jadi nggak bisa
Fantastic.
menerima kita.
Rover it is then.
Nantinya kita akan ngobrol dengan si Ibu
I
Berta,
can't believe that I missed Johnny being in charge of deliveries.
Human Resource. Paling malas sebenarnya ngobrol sama Ibu Berta ini. Apa sebelah sana ya? Oh, apa mungkin masih di lantai 2 ya? Di lantai 2. Di sebelah sini. Oh, masih lagi naik. Nah. The chest.
This could be useful.
Lumayan kita dapat tambahan ya. Part-part kita juga udah lumayan, tapi kita masih harus mencari juga papan sirkuit dan baterai. Oke, langsung aja kita ngobrol. Gak tahu nih kita diomelin apa lagi nih.
Ugh, I see you still fail to find your way to a barber shop. Do I sense a hint of insubordination? How wonderful. Or perhaps you would like some directions. Should I draw you a map, Winston?
Ya, boleh deh.
I
Boleh,
suppose
boleh.
you believe we should all
Jadi
just let
si Ibu
ourselves
Berta akan
go
menuliskan
and act
atau
like a
menggambarkan
bunch of
peta kepada
Neanderthals.
kita di mana lokasi untuk barbershop.
Well,
Ya boleh deh,
I'm
terserah
scarcely
Ibu aja.
surprised, seeing the level of commitment to proper etiquette here.
Look, Berta, I'm really not in the mood to.
It's Bertha. B-E-R-T-H-A.
Bertha.
Never mind.
Nyebelin nggak,
Let's
teman-teman?
keep it simple.
Nyebelin
In
banget.
fact, you should
Ibu
refer to
Berta
me
ini
as
nyebelin
Miss
banget.
Rover.
Ya,
Okay,
ya,
then.
Bu. Udah, Bu.
Good talk.
Ibu
Why don't
ngomel
you
mulu,
see if you could make yourself useful and head down to the
Bu, nggak
warehouse?
mood nih, Bu.
Speak to
Udah dong, Bu.
Mr. Russell. He'll fill you in.
Ya. Oke, kita ke Pak Russell ya.
Thank you, Lord, for sparing me some time away from the devil.
Ini bukan. Oh, di bawah. Aduh. Sik banget nih. Ngomel terus.
Miss Rover shares my vision for a spotless we deliver. I just didn't figure she would have me do the work.
Lah, bukan.
Please radio
ini
me,
Johnny
Winston, as
Russell.
soon as you can. And I will get the order forms ready.
Oke. Kita kerja aja dah. Pusing dengerin ocehannya Bu Berta. Berta, B-E-R-T-H.
Hello?
Okay.
I'm ready for the next delivery.
Chalk Hill Navy Base. Waduh, kita kayaknya ke
Winston, are you there?
markas
I just received
komando
a bit of a rush
angkatan
job.
darat nih.
I need you over at the timber mill in Tip Bend Ridge as soon as possible. Report back to me as soon as you're there.
Oke, kita ke timber mill. Oh ya, itu tempat potongan kayu. Timber mill. Sebelah sini, terus ke kemari, kanan, terus saja, kiri sedikit, kanan, terus, masih di jalur, kita naik lagi. Aduh,
This is a scratch.
pelan dong Pak. Oke. Kita masih melanjutkan perjalanan. Jalan terus ke sebelah sini. Oke. Waduh.
My doggy paddle technique won't help me here. Just a scratch.
Oke, apakah bisa? Bisa ya. Oke, bisa. Oke. Jalan sebelah sini. Nah, ini nih lokasinya nih.
You're finally there,
Oh.
Winston. I just got in a rush order for a life net. It's one of those things that firefighters use to catch people jumping from burning buildings. I convinced the timber mill to sell us theirs. It must be around here somewhere. Find it and load it onto your car.
Oke. Orangnya ada di sini. Oke. Kita naik dari mana? Naik dari sini teman-teman. Oke.
Oh, yes, that trampoline we got after the fire. Don't know where it is. It disappeared a few months back as soon as the rain started.
Dan hilang. Nggak tahu kemana teman-teman. Oh,
Bingo.
di atas atap nih.
Jackpot.
Jadi kita mau ngantarin trampolin ini nih.
Oh, this should come in
Oke,
handy.
kita dapat baterai. Parts yang kita butuhkan. Oh, berarti kita naik dari sini dong. Ya. Oke, bukan sebuah masalah. Kita ketemu trampolinnya. Oke, kita masukin trampolinnya ya. Sorry teman-teman. Ya ini nih faktor gua lagi nggak enak badan. Tapi demi kalian teman-teman, semoga deh kalian terhibur ya. Kita masih menggunakan kekuatan
need to
fisik
take that thing to
dari
Chalk Hill Navy Base.
Winston.
The Navy's holding some huge exercise, but then their life net broke. They were practicing evacuating the control tower and used it to catch people as they jumped out. One of the top brass plunged straight through it, tore it in two. Now they need a new one quickly in order to continue the training exercise.
Kita antar sesegera mungkin.
Admiral, I'm picking up a new target. It appears to be moving, sir. Bearing 558 over.
Affirmative, Private. Main Command must want to test how well we handle surprises. Attention all units. Focus fire on the new target. Over.
Ooh, yikes. Well, that didn't go as planned.
I've got the target in my sights.
Ini maksudnya gimana sih?
They don't pay me enough for this.
Oke, kita berhasil menghindar.
I'm coming around for another volley.
Menghindari bebatuan yang ada di Gunung Kalahan ya. Sebelum meletus itu, oke, kita berhasil.
I'm coming up on its 6.
Aduh.
Just my luck.
Ya. Berhasil menghindar. Masih bisa bertahan. Oke. Ini ada aman ya. Ya, aman teman-teman. Walaupun mobil kita sudah mulai terlihat terbakar. Good.
My bad.
Bakar dia teman-teman ya. Aman. Teman-teman. Lewat sini. Cukup jauh kayaknya ya, cukup jauh lokasinya.
Sir, the target's
Lokasi
changing
pengirimannya.
course. Speed's increasing. Could this be part of the drill?
Most likely, Private. Main Command loves throwing curveballs in these exercises. Stay sharp, everyone. This is what we trained for.
Should we engage in simulated countermeasures, Admiral?
Yes, prepare simulated defense protocols. Let's show Main Command.
Ngerti. Jadi ternyata kita dijadikan sebagai alat teman-teman untuk latihan ketepatan sasaran menggunakan trampolin ini teman-teman. Karena itu ada titik merah di tengah trampolinnya ya.
Not do that again,
jadi kita dianggap sasaran ini teman-teman. Nah, tugas kita untuk menghindar. Terus menghindar. Hindari teman-teman. Lumayan masih berhasil, lumayan. Salah jalan ya. Okay.
Survived that somehow.
Berhasil hindari. Astaga, bullseye banget, tepat sasaran banget teman-teman. Kita ulang.
Well, that didn't go as planned.
ngomong dengan
Now
strukturnya.
get out of here, courier. Next time I catch you around here, I'm press ganging you into the potato peeler platoon.
Waduh, galak amat
Maybe you
sih,
could
Pak.
learn a thing or two from the military. I didn't serve myself, despite a valiant effort. A nasty sprain at the last minute, you see. Really unfortunate timing.
Tahu nih, Pak. Galak amat. Ayo, kita langsung keluar dari tempat ini, teman-teman. Harus segera. Ada lagi pekerjaan? Oke, kita balik lagi ke kantor. Dan ini perjalanannya jauh ya, teman-teman ya. Coba kita lihat peta. Kita tuh ada di mana sih? Oh iya, kita ada di selatan ya, teman-teman. Dan kita harus ke Belfort. Oke, baiklah. Perjalanan kita cukup jauh, cukup panjang. Cepat nih. Hampir saja kita lindas, teman-teman. Hampir saja. Kita ikutin panah kuningnya. Di sini jarang ya ada panah merah ya. Panah yang menunjukkan jalan pintas terdekat, tercepat. Sempit jalannya. Terus lagi. Belok. Shellington Falls. Di sini ya. Di sini ya. Lokasi gedung perusahaan We Deliver. Awas. Ya maaf. Kalau di dunia nyata selesai itu, teman-teman. Selesai di dunia ini urusannya. Oke. Kita tiba. Please jangan ngobrol dengan Ibu Berta, please.
Is it just me, or does Donovan seem more tense lately?
What? Donovan? Hadn't noticed. Oh, hey, Winnie. Care to join the Donovan bandwagon?
Oh, Hank.
Of course, I'm his biggest fan, after all.
Come on, guys. What's with the two of you anyways, Winnie?
Oh, I think he just hates my guts. Happy for him, really. I mean, we're starting to worry he didn't have any feelings.
Is Harold okay? Did you speak to him? He left early today, coughing as he went. He seems,
Yeah, he said he had a migraine, but I don't know. Hey, look,
Kata
maybe
Sarah,
it's time for him
Harold
to
pulang cepat ya.
What? Step down?
Dan terlihat
Harold
batuk-batuk.
is We Deliver, Hank. What would happen if he retires?
Sure, I'm just saying he's not getting any younger is all.
Well, anyways, we won't keep you with all this gossip, Winnie. Talk to you later.
Ya, hal yang sering terjadi ya di perusahaan. Gosip sana sini.
Mr. Martinez was generous enough to spare me one of these. State of the art.
Aduh,
We've got our fair
males
share of
banget ini
trade secrets
ngobrol
here at We Deliver.
dengan
Who
Ibu
knows what would happen if they
Berta,
got out?
please.
You should wear one, Winston. We have to stay vigilant against corporate spies.
Ya.
I think Bertha's upstairs.
Sebab ketemu sama ibu yang satu ini.
Was there anything else, Your Highness? Otherwise, I'm heading home.
My, oh my. I believe my right hand is cramping up from all the note-taking today. Sad to say, I'm very disappointed in all of your performances today.
Not much of a surprise there. Why are you writing down every single thing, by the way? Memory starting to fail you?
Look who's talking. I've seen you scribbling diligently in that journal of yours. That's right.
Duh,
I
Ibu Berta
see
nih kebanyakan nyatat
everything.
sana sini nih.
Bet there are some
Ya
juicy
emang kita
bits in
sebagai
there.
karyawan,
What I would
sebagai
give to
pegawai,
take
kita
a peek
memang
at it.
banyak kekurangannya.
How exactly
Tapi
would
kan
that
kita
happen?
belajar, Bu. Kita
What, you
tuh
gonna
berusaha,
murder me?
kita
Pry it out of my
ngasih
dead
100%
hands?
setiap
I
harinya.
bet you couldn't even tear
Makanya
wet
kita
toilet
nganterin
paper if
barang
your life
tepat
depended
waktu.
on it.
What
Makanya
is this, a
Harold itu
stage
senang
show?
dengan
Get
kita,
back
Bu.
to work, people. And
begini ya.
you just stepped in it big time,
Ibu memang
mister.
gak suka sama saya. Dah. Bagus deh. Udah kita pulang, balik ke trailer. Pulang. Nah nih, Donovan kenapa lagi nih?
Come in. Well?
I believe our elusive Mr. Booker, I'm sorry, Mr. Green, stacks more skeletons in his closet than your average mausoleum.
We already knew that. Cut to the chase.
Have a look. So I'm sitting there. A vehicle pulls up. Not Winston's, mind you, but dark, flashy. A man exits. Big black gentleman by the look of it. Flashlight in hand. Picks the lock like
Ini
nobody's
sebenarnya Winston
business
ini
and enters. Spends 20
siapa
minutes
sih,
in
teman-teman?
there searching for
Gue pribadi masih bingung,
something
nggak ketebak
until
gitu karena
Winston
seperti yang gue bilang
arrives?
sebelumnya, gue memainkan
Now,
game ini
if
pure
you were
tanpa
Winston,
melihat
what would you
channel-channel
do?
lain, teman-teman. Jadi
Waited till I knew I had the upper hand?
gue sama
Right.
sekali nggak
Winston,
punya
he just grabs a
informasi
mallet
apapun
and goes inside.
tentang
Pretty
ceritanya.
bold if you ask
Dan
me.
siapakah
Sound
Winston?
familiar?
Very funny.
Gua nggak
What?
tahu.
You
Dan kenapa
admire the
Donovan-
guy now?
Kalau teman-teman
Don't be
ikuti di episode
silly.
sebelumnya,
Anyhow, a minute
Donovan
later,
itu
our
mengatakan
mystery
pernah
man
melihat
backs
atau
out.
mengenali
Gun on
Winston ini,
drives
pernah melihat
away.
di mana
You're
gitu.
shitting me. Tell me you
Jadi
followed
Donovan
him.
itu
What
penuh
am I, an
kecurigaan
imbecile? Of course I did.
pada Winston.
Oh, and I found this in Winston's trailer earlier today.
The future's in our hands. AEC. Just like the document I found. The journal he always
Dan
writes in.
apakah
I need you to
keterkaitan
get it
Winston
somehow.
dengan
Fantastic
Atomic
job,
Energy
Gordon.
Commission
Thank
ini,
you.
teman-teman?
Don't
Itu kita
mention it.
juga nggak tahu.
About
Gua
time
juga
I
nggak
dusted
tahu.
off the old tools of the trade, so to speak.
It's time to pay this guy a little visit.
Sepertinya kita mau didatengin ya sama Donovan dan Gordon ini. But anyway, kita lebih baik pulang aja deh. Pulang. Ayo pulang. Pulang ya. Ya, pulang. Kita sudah lelah, teman-teman. Lelah dengan Ibu Berta, lelah dengan ocehan-ocehannya. Ngomel terus. Ayo kita pulang. Jalanannya licin banget lagi. Oke, ke sini. Aduh. Kenapa ya? Kerja di perusahaan itu banyak dramanya, teman-teman. Mending Winston buka usaha gitu ya. Dagang baju kek, dagang gorengan kek. Lebih berkah kali daripada kerja di perusahaan gosip terus. Ketemu Ibu Berta ngomel mulu. Ketemu Donovan kita dibenci terus. Ketemu Gordon kerjanya ngasih teka-teki aja. Aduh. Ada nggak sih di sini yang rindu sama Norman? Norman tuh sahabat kita banget, teman-teman. Sahabat banget. Di episode sebelumnya kita berhasil ya menyelamatkan Norman dari letusan gunung Kalahan. Dan sampai saat ini kita tidak tahu keberadaannya di mana. Yang kita tahu adalah Norman sudah kerja di tempat kerja yang baru. Oh, ternyata kita belum sampai, teman-teman. Dan sekarang ini di Belfort. Trailer kita di Belfort.
Ladies and gentlemen, gather round. We've got a pressing matter to discuss today. It's time to talk about that known as constipation. Looks like the pipes are clogged, folks. But don't you worry, because we've got just the solution for you. Introducing Dr. Gutbuster Super Laxative Elixir. It's like a plunger for your...
Hey! Sini ada kapal.
Taking the boat could speed things up. Let's board?
Wow. Wah, perlu kita coba nih besok. Tapi ya kita bawa mobil perusahaan ya, mobil kantor. Ya kapan-kapan deh. Kapan-kapan kita coba.
If I'm all done for today, I should head to bed.
Hari yang sangat melelahkan teman-teman.
What happened to my poster? Why am I even surprised?
Ya poster kita udah diambil sama Gordon.
I guess the rejection letters didn't seem worth stealing.
Satpam Gordon. Well, saatnya kita istirahat aja teman-teman. Apa sih yang dicari dari Donovan ini? Aduh, apa yang kamu cari, Pak?
Hey, I know you're here. We have mutual interests, you and I.
Mutual interest, teman-teman.
You asshole.
Ke apa ya?
Damn it, I'm freezing my
Keinginan yang
ass off
sama.
here. I know where to find what you're looking for, okay? I'll deliver it to you on one condition.
Go on then, Mr. Gurther. Speak.
Okay.
I'll get you what
Ada
you want.
agent yang kemarin
That's what I do. Deliver
ngobrak-ngabrik trailer
things,
kita.
get shit done. In return,
I ain't got all day, and you've got 2 seconds.
You see this? I want in on this.
All I see is a very confused man about to get shot while waving a piece of paper around like an idiot. I advise you, think carefully about whatever comes out of that mouth of yours next.
You paid him a visit, yet you're still here. Why is that? Let me guess. Not on too friendly terms with your boss at the moment. Don't want to come back empty-handed?
You're out on very treacherous waters, Mr. Gurther. You've got no clue how deep it goes. What's your angle?
I'll help you get what you want if you'll introduce me to the man in charge. I know where he keeps his most well-guarded secrets.
Very well, Mr. Gurther. I'll play ball. For now.
A smart
Dan
move.
mereka kerjasama,
better hope
teman-teman.
so.
Tetap masih menjadi misteri ya buat kita juga, sebenarnya Winston ini siapa sih? Gitu kan, apa yang dia sembunyikan, apa yang dulu dia sudah lakukan, sehingga dua orang ini, Agent dan Donovan ini, begitu semangatnya untuk menekan Winston, mengejar Winston, mengorek apapun yang bisa dikorek dari Winston ini, teman-teman.
Shit! Oh, God.
Thus, however risky, Winston turned to his final beacon of hope, Harold, the only friend left in his corner. He placed his bets on a slim chance that Harold possessed the influence to coerce Donovan into backing down.
Dan kita masuk ke chapter 8, teman-teman.
Tired of the same old bickering over who burnt the
The
Christmas
document.
turkey? Let our holiday love doctors help put the
Mungkin
merry back into
ini
your marriage.
akan menjadi momen terungkapnya rahasia-rahasia yang selama ini disimpan oleh Winston yang kita nggak
We were
tahu.
like two elves in a tinsel tangle, but after our sessions, it's like Santa gave us a new sleigh.
Here at Mistletoe Magic, we blend the joy of the holidays with heartfelt guidance. Think of us as Santa's little helpers for your heart. So, don't let your love get frostbitten this winter.
Dan
Join us
masih
at Mistletoe
di bulan
Magic
Desember ya
Marriage
teman-teman,
Counseling and
masih
jingle
di
all the way
musim
to a happier, healthier
dingin, musim salju.
relationship.
Counseling for one, please?
Oke, kita mulai
This
hari
might just
kita
be my
dengan
best idea
bekerja.
yet. Yeah, this will redefine airmail for sure.
Sorry teman-teman.
Alright, let's break this down for myself. I just need to press the catapult button when I'm close to a delivery spot.
Oke, sepertinya ada beberapa parts yang sudah terkumpul yang bisa kita rakit ya teman-teman ya. Ini contohnya ini, ketapel. Oke, langsung kita rakit. Oke, nah untuk wheel spikes dan time control belum ya, karena kita masih butuh berapa nih? 3, 4, harus terkumpul 7 baterai. Dan untuk time control butuh 1 papan sirkuit teman-teman. Oke, langsung saja kita memulai hari kita ini dengan bekerja dan bekarya teman-teman. Apakah kita akan mencoba? Tadi kita langsung kerja aja. Oke, saya diminta untuk ke kantor ya teman-teman. Oke, panah kuningnya. Oke. Jalannya cukup jauh ya teman-teman. Waduh. Ada gundukan salju ya teman-teman. Sorry pak, sorry. Aduh. Kita terlalu ugal-ugalan ini teman-teman.
Yeah, I should have brought my swimming trunks.
Bawa celana renang. Swimming trunks. Celana renang. Sampai. Hampir. Kita sudah dekat. Masuk. Tebakan gue kita pasti akan ketemu dengan Ibu Berta lagi ya. Kita akan ngobrol dengan Bu Berta lagi seperti biasa mendengarkan ocehannya.
Hey Sarah.
Do you have a minute?
Sure. What's wrong?
Okay, you didn't hear this from me.
Hear what?
I don't know what's going on, but remember when you came back? Well, the day after, you just left and Gordon comes in. Doesn't say hello or anything, just goes straight up the stairs, carrying something like a rolled-up poster or something.
Poster yang hilang di trailer kita.
Are you sure?
Hard to say, just a guess.
Memang Gordon yang mengambil.
Anyways, I was about to knock, just to let Don know I was leaving for the day. Then I hear voices coming from the office. Gordon was in there talking to Donovan.
Okay.
They were talking about you, Winston. Really bad things, too. I think Gordon has been following you around. It sounded as he... Winston? Are you okay? I don't know what's going on. Please say something.
Ketakutan ya teman-teman.
Thank you for
Sarah
telling me.
cukup perhatian
Do
sebagai rekan
yourself
kerja.
and me a favor
Perhatian
and forget
dengan
about this,
Winston.
Sarah.
Oke, kita coba cari tahu aja teman-teman ya. Kira-kira sebenarnya rencana apa lagi nih yang akan mereka berdua lakukan?
Come in. Good morning, my boy. How are things?
Well, Miss Rover gives everyone a run for their money, to say the least.
That's a very polite way of putting it. She's insufferable.
Biasanya ini
To be
cukup lama
honest,
ya teman-teman.
fail to
ngobrol
find
dengan
any
Harold.
redeeming qualities in her, and I usually do.
Me neither. Hey, listen, I want to talk to you about something.
Yes?
I haven't been completely honest with you.
Nah,
What do you
apa
mean?
apa yang kira-kira ingin Winston sampaikan tentang
my
masa
past,
lalunya, my past.
Son, let me stop you right there. You're a good man. You're reliable, loyal,
Kamu
and
pria yang
your
baik, kamu
heart
dapat
is in
diandalkan,
the right
loyal.
place. If anything, I wish this company, I could have done more for you.
No, not at all, sir. You've been very good to me, but I really...
Alas, it seems the reins are slipping my grasp as of late.
I really need...
Panjang ya,
I want to be honest with you.
Ini
Tell you
sepertinya
what,
usaha
let's
Winston
get through the day
untuk,
first, and
berkata
we'll speak
jujur
about
ya
this
tentang
later.
dirinya yang
If you feel it's
sebenarnya.
important, when we have more time.
I do. No, understood, sir. Thank you. Yeah, all right, I'll go see
Ya,
Johnny.
Johnny sepertinya
See you later.
Good luck today, son.
Belum mau ya ngobrol panjang lebar, mungkin karena kesehatannya mempengaruhi dirinya. Jadi dia nggak ngasih kita kesempatan untuk ngobrol banyak. Oke, kita ngobrol ke Johnny aja nih.
Quick, what do you want? Did you see Bertha upstairs? Never mind, get going. Just radio me.
Oke. Well, nggak bisa keluar. Apakah harus ke atas? Enggak ya. Kita cek dulu deh. Oke. Kita lagi beruntung hari ini teman-teman. Kita nggak harus ngobrol dengan si ibu yang nyebelin, ibu Bertha itu. Oke. Kita lanjutkan pekerjaan kita sebagai kurir nomor 1 di ibu kota.
Hello, I'm ready for the next delivery.
Oke. Out of bounds. Di luar batas. Oke. Langsung aja kita gas.
Are you there? I just received an order for a government job. You're to present yourself to a Mr. Stevenson at this address and see to it you're punctual.
Bapak Stevenson.
Just a scratch.
Oke, kita ke kota Belfort. Jalan terus. Ikutin arah mana? Sedikit naik. Awas. Nice. Astaga. Karena ini jembatan kecil banget, teman-teman.
My doggy paddle technique won't help me here.
Astaga. Ayo dong, konsentrasi.
Dozing off in swimming class wasn't my brightest moment.
Belfort. Kita akan menemui Pak Stevenson. Jalannya agak sedikit bergelombang.
Please keep away from the completely harmless object. Just an ordinary... You're the courier, correct? What we have here is a military projectile that landed slightly outside of its
Masih
target.
berkaitan dengan
Perfectly safe, of course. I have already disarmed it. I just need you to drive it over to Division 76, the Navy base by the coast.
Oke, kita harus mengantarkan ini. Ke pangkalan militer ya, teman-teman. Aduh, seharian juga ini.
I need your assistance transferring this dirt to a different location. I suggest that water hole over there.
Well, bukannya kita punya ya alatnya yang kita rakit kemarin. Oke, jadi
Good work, courier. Just one more
tugas
pile
kita
and we can load
sepertinya
this shell onto your car.
pertama membuang tanah-tanah ini dulu ya teman-teman. Oke, buang tanahnya. Nice. Kita balik lagi. Whoops.
That thing ruined my swing. I was about to finish under par, I tell you.
Waduh, kita kena komplain ini teman-teman. Dari masyarakat yang sedang bermain golf. Aduh. Oke, kita harus mengantarkan roket ini ke pangkalan
Head for
militer.
Division 76.
Oke. Kita langsung full speed aja ya teman-teman. Kita gunakan seluruh kemampuan kita untuk segera sampai ke pangkalan militer 76. Apa nih?
Whoa! What's happening?
Kenapa nih? Sorry teman-teman. Oke, kita balik ke jalanan. Wow, balik ke jalanan teman-teman. Balik terus. Ikutin panah kuning. Melanjutkan perjalanan kita.
On all wave bands, Agent Honeywood, if you're reading this, the goose egg cannot return to the hen house. Repeat, cannot return to the hen house. Instead, the goose egg should roost in the eagle's nest. Do you copy?
Change of plans, we are going towards Tip Bend Ridge.
Incaran lagi nih.
Well, the thing is, we can't backtrack the way we came. For strategic reasons, yes. It's imperative that we detour through, let's say, a more scenic route. Yes, that's it. A scenic detour.
Oke, kita nggak jadi ya ke pangkalan militer teman-teman.
Hey there, fellas. Are you tired of those pesky little white flakes raining down from your noggin? Well, worry no more. Introducing Dandy Dandruff Dasher. It's the magical tonic that'll make your scalp as clean as a whistle. Just one drop and bam. No more snow on your shoulders, just smiles and confidence. Remember, folks, with Dandy Dandruff Dasher, you'll be the talk of the town. Get your bottle today and say goodbye to snow days forever.
Warning. Detecting malfunction. Device activated. Please avoid impact.
Ah, so what that means is now you need to be...
Oke, jadi nggak boleh terkena benturan ya teman-teman. Buset, kehancurannya buset. Waduh. Ulang. Harusnya bisa ulang ya. Oke. Nggak boleh terkena benturan ya teman-teman karena sudah terjadi malfungsi.
Not that there's any actual danger.
Astaga, gua nggak ngelihat dong.
Not that there's any actual danger, of course.
Astaga. Ayo. Lebih hati-hati lagi teman-teman.
Just my luck.
Gua nggak pakai ini ya, gua nggak setting stick gua ya. Karena sebenarnya ini lebih kepada menghindari benturan aja teman-teman. Jadi lo boleh ngebut-ngebut selama lo nggak membentur apapun. Berarti kita nggak bisa ugal-ugalan ya teman-teman. No, hampir aja. Jalannya sepi banget dan ada banyak lampu di jalan. Hampir aja ya. Kalau kebentur pelan sih nggak apa-apa teman-teman.
Device activated.
Perjalanan
Please avoid
kita
impact.
ke Tip Bend Ridge. Ingat teman-teman, jangan sampai membentur
There's
atau
a tin
menabrak
mine further to the
sesuatu.
east. We are going to store this harmless airplane engine inside the mine for now. Standard procedure when dealing with completely safe objects.
Jangan sampai membentur ya teman-teman. Hampir aja. Kita udah mau dekat teman-teman. Kita udah sampai di kota Tip Bend Ridge. Mana tuh? Oke, jadi kita akan mengketapelkan
Detecting another malfunction.
bom ini
Self-detonation activated.
ke dalam.
So what that means is we're still not going to panic, of course. But you should probably hurry.
Ya, konsentrasi. Konsentrasi teman-teman. Set. Benar. Ya, pelan-pelan ya.
But you should probably hurry.
Pelan-pelan, jangan sampai nabrak. Kita sudah dekat ya teman-teman.
Detonation in T-minus 20 seconds.
Waduh. 20 detik teman-teman. Ayo. Konsentrasi.
Barely made it out of that one.
Astaga. Nabrak dikit doang. Ayo lagi yuk. Yuk. Fokus.
Somehow.
Nah, ini nih tadi nih.
Detonation in T-minus 20 seconds. Detonation in T-minus 10 seconds.
10 second aja nih.
4, 3, 2, 1.
sedikit lagi, teman-teman.
Well, that didn't go as
Ayo
planned.
dong. Nih pasti ada muncul mobil nih, enggak ya? Nggak ada nih.
Detonation in T-minus 20 seconds.
Jangan sampai nabrak. Nabrak, ayo.
Detonation in T-minus 10.
Oke, berhasil ya teman-teman. Woo!
Oh, you made
Akhirnya.
it. Well done. You weren't in any real danger, of course. The explosion was probably caused by a gas pocket, very common in old mines. No need for you to ever mention this incident to anyone. One last thing, these are potassium pills. You should probably take 2 a day for the foreseeable future.
Oke, karena ini ledakan potasium, jadi kita diberikan pil ya untuk menetralisir tubuh. Oke teman-teman, setelah kita berhasil, akhirnya roket tersebut bisa, atau bom roket tersebut bisa meledak di dalam gua penambangan, gua tambang ini teman-teman. Dan sekian dulu ya teman-teman untuk permainan kita kali ini di Deliver at All Cost. Semoga teman-teman semuanya terhibur, dan kita akan kembali lagi di episode berikutnya. Oke, sampai jumpa, dadah. Main sih.
Crap.
Bisa masuk. Bisa.
I should head to We Deliver.
Iya. Oke. Kita save dulu teman-teman. Oke, dadah. Dadah.